good morning to my dear class 9 students. As we all know, this is such a crucial and difficult time we are going through because of this pandemic COVID-19. So for that we have to stay home and stay safe, and that is what I am also on, that you have to be in your home only and do not come out when if it is not needed. So what we have to do, from today onward, I am going to make a video lecture on every chapter so that you will be able to understand more better your chapter. Music is a life to everything, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. From the very beginning of the life, music plays a very instrumental role to bringing the people together. Music is something that is celebrated universally. In this session, we will discuss about two musicians from the different corner of the world on their inspirational stories called A Sound of the Music. The first story is about the Alvin Galani, a percussionist, and the other story is about Ustad Bismillah Khan, a Bharat Ratna recipient. In life, disabilities for many become a hindrance in the path of the success. Many break down psychologically, and very few or very rare can motivate themselves to come out from this. And the world too never fail to discriminate the disabled people from the rest of the other. The tag of a disabled leaves an everlasting impact on their mind. But Alvin Galani was not one of them. She was the one who conquered her disability and become an inspiration for many more. So in this story, we are going to reveal, in this chapter, we are going to reveal that how Alvin Galani become an inspiration for many people. Instead of this, though she was disabled. So what disability she is having, why she become an inspiration for many people, we are going to reveal through this story, the chapter, The Sound of Music, part 1, Alvin Galani, listen to sound without hearing it. So before proceeding the lesson, before reading the lesson, let us discuss about this title. Alvin Galani, listen to sound without hearing it. After reading the title, we get confused, we get astonished that how a person can listen if he cannot, if she cannot hear. How a person who is not able to understand, how that person can listen. So how Alvin listen? In this, how Alvin listen, we are going to reveal in this chapter. So let us start the chapter. Before proceeding with the lesson, let's read this important part. Before you read, God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels for more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. So what the writer is saying, or what the one is saying, that if maybe God has taken her hearing power, maybe God has taken that she could not be able to understand, but God has also given him something extraordinary. So what extraordinary the God has given him? That she can feel more deeply as you and I. And that is the reason she could express music so beautifully. Read the following account of a person who fought against a physical disability and made her life a successful story. So in this story, this is such an inspirational story that how a person who is disabled can conquer his or her disability and become an inspiration and write a success in his life. So this is basically a biography. Biography is a story of a person, life written by someone else. So this is the biography of a Alvin Galani. So let's read the lesson. Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl, looking younger than her 17 years, was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. So jostle means push roughly. So what does the jostle mean? Push roughly. When people are pushing to each other to catch something or to get away, that is known as the jostle. So this is the scene of a platform, an underground platform where people are just pushing each other to get the position. A slight girl. Slight means small and thin. What does the slight mean? Slight means small and thin. So as this is the scene of a underground platform where people are just pushing each other, they are just to get the position. A slight girl, a girl who is looking younger than her age, who is in the age of 17, but she is not looking. She is not seeming that she is 17-year-old. She was standing there and she was get the vibration of the train, that the train is approaching. The slight girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of approaching the train. So the girl, who is the girl here? The girl is the Elvin Galani. So Elvin Galani is standing on the platform and she is nervous and excited both. Why she is nervous? Because she is going to the London to get the admission in the Royal Academy of Music. And why she is nervous? Because she is come from the Scotland. Scotland is a city somewhere in Europe. And London is a big city, is a very far city in comparison. Scotland is very firm and countryside. So the Elvin Galani come from a countryside, come from a small city. So she was nervous that she is going to London to get, and she is excited. Why she was excited? Because she is taking the first step towards her dreamt of. What she dreamt of all his life, she is going to take the one step ahead from her dream. So she is going to take the admission in the Royal Academy of Music in London. And daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. Daunting means frightening. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. But Elvin is getting the more challenges in comparison of the other musician because she is profoundly means completely. Because she is completely deaf, and that is why she is definitely going to face a big challenge in comparison of the other person who can hear. So the total explanation of this chapter is that there is the scene of the platform where a girl whose name was Elvin Galani was standing for the train, the train which takes her to the London. She is from the Scotland. Scotland is a small city or an urban area in comparison of London. London is a very fast. So at the same time she is having both the feeling, like as she is excited and she is nervous too. She is excited because she is going to take the admission in the Royal Academy of Music, a prestigious Royal Academy, and she was nervous because she was completely deaf. She was profoundly means she was completely deaf. She could not able to hear anything. That is why she was nervous, because she knew very well that she is going to take, she is going to get a good challenge. She is going to face a bigger challenge in her life. Elvin Galani losses of hearing had been gradual. Her mother, gradual means in a phases. Gradual means. Elvin Galani loss of hearing had been gradual. So what happened Elvin Galani? She was not deaf from on his birth. She is deaf slowly and slowly. She loses her hearing power slowly and slowly, gradually, in a phases. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Elvin was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she did not move. I suddenly realized she had heard, says Isabel Galani. So who is Isabel Galeni? Isabel Galeni is the mother of the Alvin Galeni, and she recollecting one of the incident that when Alvin Galeni was 8 years old and she was waiting for the turn to play the piano, and when her name was called, she could not move, she could not hear, and at that time suddenly Isabel, the mother, realized that there is something wrong with the Alvin Galeni. For quite a while, Alvin managed to conceal. Conceal means hiding. When you are hiding something, that is means conceal. For quite a while, Alvin managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teacher. But as Alvin is not completely deaf from her birth, she is gradually she loses his power of hearing. So as more as possible, she tried to hide his this weakness from the rest of the other. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated, and her headmistress urged means request. So when she started getting her marks is becoming weak. She is becoming weak in work. She is getting a less mark started. So what the headmistress of the school requested her parent that they should take Alvin to the doctor for the checkup. Specialist means a special doctor for some special disease. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. So then what they have to, after the checking, what the doctor discovered that now she is going to deaf completely because of the severe nerve damage. They were advised that she should be fitted with her hearing aids and sent to the school for the deaf. Hearing aid is an equipment which is fitted somewhere in your ears so that one can listen partially. So what the doctor advised? Doctor advised that they should get hearing impaired for the Alvin Galeni, and they should send her to the school, special school for the deaf person. Everything suddenly looked black, says Alvin. So what does the Alvin says when the Alvin come to know that she is completely deaf and she has to be sent. She will have to be sent to the school of the deaf person. Everything turns black. What is the meaning of this line, beta? Everything suddenly looked black. Everything suddenly looked black means if you get some bad news as you were not expected. When you get the bad news, definitely the whole world become colorless for you. The same with the Alvin Galeni. When she heard that when she come to know that she is completely deaf, everything suddenly turns into black. The whole life, the whole world become black for the Alvin Galeni. But Alvin was not going to give up. Now here what we have to see, the determination of the Alvin Galeni. After came to know that she will not be able to listen anything in her whole life, but she was so determined that she does not want to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Pursue means following. So what she determined, what she decided, that no, she will not go to the school of the deaf, and she tried all his level best to lead her life as normal as possible. And she also follow her interest in music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. So what happened? One day she saw a girl playing a xylophone, and that day she decided that she also will play the xylophone. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. So when she went to the teacher, many of the teachers disappointed her that how it could be possible if a person cannot hear can play any instrument. But there was a one person, Ron Forbes, who is a percussionist. Percussionist means a person who can play drum, tabla, basically in orchestra. Ron Forman is a percussionist, and he spotted a potential. He found the potential of Alvin Galilei. He began tuning two large drums to different notes. So what exactly he did? He tuned the two drums into the two different notes. Don't listen through your ears. And what did he say? What did he recommend? He said, don't listen through your ears. Don't try to listen through your ears. Try to sense it some other way. And he said, just don't listen to it. Just try to sense. Just try to feel. Just try to get the vibration of that sound from some other part of your body. Says Alvin, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Waist up means the upper part of the body, and waist down means the lower part of the body. So what did the Alvin says? Suddenly I start getting the vibration. I start getting the feel of of that drums. So what does she feel? She gets the feel of higher notes. She gets the feel from the upper part of the body, and she gets the feeling of the lower notes from the down part of her body. Phobos repeated the exercise, and soon Alvin discovered that she could sense certain notes in different part of her body. So what she do? She just doing practicing, and then what happened? She start getting the feel or the vibration or the sense from the different part of her body. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound the vibration. The rest was sheer determination and the hard work. So what did she said? That I learned because I learned the music. I start getting the vibration. I start getting the feel of the music from the different part of my body, and this is all because my determination and hard work. So she never looked back from the point onwards. So what happened? She got the success, and she never looked back after that point. She toured the United Kingdom with the youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16. So what she started doing? She just giving a live performance and for that she's just touring all the world, even the United Kingdom also. And at that time she was just 16. She had decided to make music her life, and then she decided that she is going to take a music as her career. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. So what is audition? Audition is a short performance so that the director could decide whether you are good enough or not. As we all are sitting in the exams and give the exams, and then the teacher decided that how much marks we will get. That decided that whether we are able to good enough or not. In the same way, a musician can give the audition. So what she did, she has given the audition in Royal Academy of Music, and she scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo. What is orchestral work? Orchestral work means when a person performing in a group, and what is solo? When a person only a person can perform. That is known as the solo. At the end of a 13-year course, she had captured most of the award. So what she has get at the of his 3 years course, she get many awards in her name. And for all this, Alvin won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. And because as she did something remarkable, something extraordinary, if a person is not able to understand, can perform thousands of instruments that really are commendable job she has did. But in spite of that, she never claimed that she has done something heroic. If you hard work and know where you are going, you will get there. What did she say? Okay, if you do the hard work, if you do the work wholeheartedly, if you put all your effort, definitely you will get your dream. And she got right to talk, the world most sought, after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. She get famous. She is all the time. She is having she is doing a live performance, and that is why she has become a very popular multi-percussionist. And she can play thousands of instruments, and that is why she is all the time. She is having a hectic schedule. It is intriguing. Intriguing means fascinating. When you fascinated by something. It is intriguing to watch Alvin function so effortlessly without hearing it. So, what does the writer say? That whenever you watch the Alvin performance, you get so fascinated how a person can play, how a person can play such instrument if a person could not hear. And she is doing so effortlessly that definitely amazed a person. In our 2-hour discussion, she never missed a word. The writer said that they had a 2-hour discussion, but he found that Alvin never missed a single word what is said by the writer. She never missed a word. Men with bushy beards give me trouble. She laughed. It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes. So in a 2-hour conversation, she simply said that a person who is having a bushy beard definitely give a little bit trouble to the granny. Why? Because it is not all. It is not just only the lips. When the person who cannot hear sees your face while talking, so that one can read the lips movement, and apart from that, the whole face expression also. She speaks flawlessly. Flawlessly means continuously. Flawless. Flawless means continuously. So, in like a person who cannot hear, could find difficulty in speaking, but she speaks flawlessly, continuously, without any hesitation, without missing any word, and with a Scottish lilt. Lilt is what? Lilt is a basically accent. So she is from the Scotland, so definitely she is going to have an accent of a Scotland. So she speaks flawlessly in Scottish accent. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11. So what Alvin says that she can speak more better, her speak is more clear because she was not deaf from on his birth. She became the deaf at the age of 11.